Alen, are we alone in the universe? This question has been pondered by humans for centuries. From ancient cave paintings to modern-day UFO sightings, there are many who believe that we're not alone. But what does science say? Join me as we explore the latest news and research on all things Alen. Did aliens really build the pyramids? Ancient alien theories suggest that extraterrestrials visited Earth thousands of years ago and left behind structures like the pyramids as evidence of their advanced technology. Some even believe that ancient cave paintings depict alien encounters. Is there any truth to these claims, or are they just the ramblings of conspiracy theorists? Are we being watched? UFO sightings have been reported for decades, with many people claiming to have seen strange lights in the sky. Recently, the Pentagon released a report on unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, which included previously classified documents and footage. What did they reveal, and could they be proof of extraterrestrial activity? What's really going on at Area 51? This highly classified military base has been the subject of countless conspiracy theories over the years, with many believing that it is home to alien technology and even live aliens. Now, a recently declassified document from the CIA sheds some light on what's really going on here. Could there be something more than we're being told? Are people really being abducted by aliens? While stories of alien abductions have become a popular trope in science fiction, there are those who claim that it's happened to them in real life. These stories can be disturbing and often involve missing time and unexplained scars or implants. Could there be a psychological explanation for these claims, or is there something more to them? Why haven't we made contact yet? The Fermi paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life existing and the fact that we have unmade contact with any civilizations. There are several possible explanations for this paradox, such as the idea that advanced civilizations tend to destroy themselves, or that intelligent life is rare in the universe. What do you think? How likely is it that there's life out there? The Drake equation is a mathematical formula that estimates the number of civilizations in our galaxy with which communication might be possible. It takes into account factors such as the rate of star formation and the fraction of stars that have planets. By plugging different values into the equation, scientists have estimated that there could be anywhere from a few dozen to several thousand civilizations out there. With the recent discovery of thousands of exoplanets, the search for extraterrestrial life has become more focused and sophisticated. Scientists are now able to detect exoplanets using telescopes and spacecraft, and some of these discoveries have hinted at the possibility of microbial life beyond Earth. For example, the discovery of liquid water on Mars and the potentially habitable conditions on some exoplanets have raised the question, are we alone in the universe? While there is no concrete evidence of alien life yet, the search continues. With new technologies and a growing number of exoplanet discoveries, we may just be one discovery away from finding out if we are truly alone in the vastness of space. Have aliens really visited Earth? Ancient cave paintings depicting strange creatures have sparked speculation that humans may have encountered extraterrestrial beings thousands of years ago. Some believe that these paintings are evidence of alien visitation, while others argue for more earthly explanations. What do you think? Is the government hiding evidence of aliens? Government investigations into UFOs or unidentified flying objects have yielded mixed results. Some believe that the government is hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life, while others argue that there is no concrete evidence to support these claims. Recent investigations have focused on identifying and cataloging UFOs rather than determining their origin. What's being done to find aliens? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is an ongoing scientific endeavor aimed at detecting signs of life beyond Earth. SETI scientists use radio telescopes to listen for signals from distant civilizations, and they analyze data from spacecraft exploring our solar system. Despite decades of searching, there has been no confirmed contact with extraterrestrial intelligence. What would happen if we made contact with aliens? The implications of discovering intelligent alien life would be profound. It would challenge our understanding of the universe and raise ethical questions about our place in the cosmos. Some believe that contact with aliens would bring great knowledge and technological advancements, while others worry about the potential risks involved in interacting with a more advanced civilization. What are the odds that aliens will visit us? The odds of aliens visiting Earth depend on a variety of factors, including the size of the universe, the distance between stars, and the likelihood that life exists elsewhere. According to estimates, there could be billions of Earth-like planets out there, but the chances of aliens developing the technology to visit us are slim. Some believe that aliens have already visited Earth, but their presence has gone undetected. What are the arguments against aliens? Those who do believe in aliens often cite the lack of concrete evidence as a reason for skepticism. They argue that there is no verifiable proof that life exists beyond Earth, and that many alleged sightings can be explained as natural phenomena or human-made objects. What if we're being watched? The idea that we being watched by aliens or otherworldly beings is a popular theme in science fiction. Some believe that there are advanced civilizations in our midst, observing humanity from hidden locations. While there is no evidence to support these claims, the idea persists in our culture and imagination. What would you do if you saw an alien? The prospect of seeing an alien can be both exciting and terrifying. Some believe that they would approach their being with curiosity and a desire to learn, while others would be filled with fear and uncertainty. Ultimately, how one reacts to seeing an alien would depend on a variety of factors, including their beliefs and experiences. Theories and speculation abound regarding the existence of aliens. However, without concrete evidence, it's impossible to say for sure whether we are alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life continues, and with new discoveries being made all the time, who knows what the future may hold. Throughout history, there have been countless individuals who claim to have seen aliens or been abducted by them. Some of these stories are more convincing than others. Here are 5 people who may have actually seen aliens. Audrey and Debbie. We begin our list with twin sisters Audrey and Debbie, who claim that they have been abducted by aliens several times since they were children. They say that every time they are taken on board a spaceship, they get to see their home from above, and that they also witness other planets and galaxies. Although they don't remember everything that happens during these visits, they do recall that they are always taken back home, before the memory of the event begins to fade away. According to the twins, the aliens seem to be erasing their memories partially so that they won't be overwhelmed by the experience. Interestingly, while some parts of the event are fuzzy, they both have very vivid memories of being taken away and returned safely. If their story is true, that would make them some of the most frequent victims of alien abductions in history. Stan Remenick claims to have had several encounters with He says that he has witnessed unidentified flying objects, but he has also seen the beings themselves. He claims that he has even managed to capture some of these events on video, and that the footage clearly shows UFOs and the beings that operate them. According to him, all of these videos, along with pictures of strange footprints he found on his property, were taken away by federal agents when they came to question him about his experiences. Interestingly, he claims that he has also experienced other paranormal phenomena, such as regular phone calls from the future and ghostly apparitions. These occurrences are said to be related to his close friend, Danny, who died in an air crash in 2007. In 1989, Linda Napolitano from Manhattan claimed that she was abducted by aliens who levitated her from her apartment into a spacecraft. She was quoted saying, "I never believed in UFOs until it happened to me." She said that once inside the ship, she underwent a battery of medical tests and examinations. What makes her story particularly compelling is the fact that she claims multiple witnesses saw her being taken away. However, the story has been met with a lot of skepticism, and although it was initially reported by major newspapers such as the New York Post and Newsday, the witnesses later recanted their testimonies. Tony Buckingham. When Tony Buckingham was 17, he was driving home from Cambridge when he spotted a large, unknown craft hovering in a field in Cambridgeshire, UK. After stopping to take a closer look, he claims that he was enveloped by a bright light and taken aboard the craft, where he interacted with strange alien-like beings. He would later become one of the leading figures in the UFO research group. However, this only happened after he underwent regression hypnosis, which helped him recover these repressed memories. Unfortunately, attempts to verify his story have been unsuccessful, and the only physical evidence he has to support his story is a drawing he made of the craft he saw that day. Jake Barber served in the US Air Force, and it was there that he saw something he couldn't explain. According to Jake, what he saw was an egg-shaped aircraft that seemed to be of non-human origin. He said that the object was so big that it dwarfed even the largest aircraft carriers. Interestingly, he reports that high-level military officials told him that the object was alien. He further explained that they didn't want to make this information public as it could cause widespread panic. He also shared a video that he said was taken by a surveillance camera at an undisclosed military base. The video allegedly shows an object entering the atmosphere and landing on a military base. Jake says that he has talked to many veterans who witnessed the same thing, but like him, they have chosen to remain anonymous for fear of being ridiculed or even blackmailed by the government. It's important to note that while these stories are certainly interesting and in some cases disturbing, they should be approached with a critical mind. Many of these accounts lack verifiable evidence and have been met with skepticism from the scientific community. However, the enduring nature of these stories and the persistence of those who believe them serve as a reminder that the question of whether or not we are alone in the universe remains one of the most profound and intriguing mysteries of our time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments below what do you think about aliens. Thank you for watching.